Very up close and personal. What you do notice is they do have little concrete cow pies. You gotta watch where you're walking or you'll step in them. Doing this fine smoothing over here. I found out why they put the board in the cutout. Yes, they could have just put the foundation wall all the way up, but their goal, once this board is removed, is they'll cut the edge down so that water, etc., drains out. Now, of course, that won't happen here because there will not be a garage door at this end. That applies to that end where there'll be the garage door. So I'll ask them what they do here, if they do cut it down, or if it's something that will just be left, so in the future when a garage door is put, somebody will just cut it. It's all very interesting. So, more to follow. This is the beginning of the pouring of the slab. I will try to ask them how long it takes for it to cure. Clearly I have no idea. So, have fun. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're happy. I'll see you later. Bye.